power drives the modern global economy. As the world shifts to renewable energy, the ultimate challenge emerges: intermittency. Unpredictable power, grid instability, and surging peak demand charges threaten your operational efficiency. Welcome to the future of energy independence with UnityESS battery energy storage system. Built with state-of-the-art technology. Scalable storage infrastructure for facilities of all sizes. Seamlessly integrated with existing grids and renewable plants across the nation. Slash your electricity bill and future-proof your energy security for the next 15+ years. Choose profitability, choose sustainability, make your power move. UnityESS, energy with intelligence.